Yeah, I've been living clean, fight.
What's the deal, y'all? Car Guru back with another one. And today I got another car review for y'all. Introducing my second car that I had to rent because that car right there decided to take a little boo on me. So it's back. It is back, y'all. Had to pay a whopping $3,900 to get all my coils replaced and PCV valve replaced and all this other stuff. So yeah, man, the Maxima is back, but we're not reviewing this car. We're reviewing the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And this Grand Cherokee is the dang, I can't remember, the high altitude. There we go, the high altitude Grand Cherokee. Let's go ahead and give it a start up. So yeah, I've been in this car for like 2 days. It's not bad. I'm not even gonna lie. I think I would get a car like this. See, it does have the double roof, as you can see. Excuse me for the coughing. Got the Connect, got the black interior, all black. Got the Harman Kardon sound system. Power windows. It got a sport button. Don't have no performance pages and none of that. But yeah, got the little Jeep steering wheel. It is not bad. I gave y'all a little walk around. I'm gonna give you another walk around at the gas station, and then yeah, man. So matter of fact, I'll set this up right here. I had the car for 2 days, and since the Maxima decided to go ahead and take a poop on me, I'm ready to get another car like ASAP. So, and for the power for this car, it's okay. It ain't nothing great. It ain't no SRT. It ain't no SRT. Oh Lord, that can't really feel, but yeah, ain't no SRT. That's what I can say. A little sport mode makes the shifts or whatever like snappy. And you see it's moving around here. But hangs the gear and all that. I tried to use the shifter, but it didn't. It's probably, I see that now, shifted down. I'm gonna shift up is down. But yeah, man. It's got, y'all see it's the burgundy. I kind of, if y'all know me, red is my favorite color, so anything in the red family, burgundy, I like it. Decent ride, the ride is smooth. Not too bad on gas. And yeah, I'm about to be dropping this car off. Going to CarMax tomorrow just to see how much they will give offer for the Maxima, and then we'll go from there. So might have another vlog for y'all tomorrow. And that's for now. This is just the review of the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now I forget. I said the trim earlier, and I damn near forgot right now. High altitude, yeah. So the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, high altitude. And then I'll give y'all another walk around and all that good shit later. Check y'all in a second.
Like rain, you can't tell me shit. Yeah, I've been living clean, fighting off the demons. Off of LSD every time you see me. Killing at a rapid rate like a demon. Releasing all my trauma, got my bad karma fleeing. Embody all the light that I can possibly download in my vessel. This is what it sound like when it's cold and you launch a missile. Ronnie, I'ma build up my cheat. I blow the fire at 'em. They know I be snapping my rings. Boy, I destroy your atoms. You in the wrong part. Straighten up and fly right if you don't wanna be. I be talking to myself most of the time in these rhymes. Why I put a lot of love all the time in these rhymes. I live in the present, remembering I invented shiny shinier than the bezel on a Rolex wristwatch. Level after level, every time I shoot, I hit. If you praying for my downfall, I got the E.